Hello everyone, today we're going to install an OEM air filter on our 2023 Honda Grom. Let's get started. Alright, on this piece on the left side of the motorcycle we have 3 screws that are surrounded by these white plastic washers. We're going to remove them with a hex tool. Okay, once you remove it, it looks like this, and then you're going to take these little caps off. You could use a plastic tool or a flathead and just gently pry on them, gently, and then you're going to pull them out and they come out like this. On this one we already took the screw out, so we're going to go ahead, or the bolt out, we're going to go ahead and remove that, and then we're going to come down and we have one down right here. And now we're going to get the handle and we're going to move it over because we need to get to 2 screws, one right here and then one down there, and I'm going to be using a stubby Phillips to get those off. And now the plastic part is being held by 2 tabs. So you want to do is you want to gently pull back on it and you're going to hear it pop off like that. And then there's one down here. And it's off. All right, we're going to remove this hose out of the way and we're going to go ahead and start unscrewing this plastic piece because we need to get access to the filter. And then we're going to start taking this screw down here. They're black, so they're different from the ones that we were just taking off. I like that they had a cutout for the tool, which is nice. And this piece should come off. So we're going to gently push it down. And if you look right here, guys, this is where our air filter is at. So we're going to go ahead and pop this off. And that's how our air filter looks after about, I would say, 900 miles. All right, just showing you the difference between the two. And now we're going to go ahead and place our air filter back where it belongs. But before we do that, I'm just going to gently wipe this down with a shop towel. And now when you put this filter back, the really neat thing about it is that the cutout of this fits in there pretty perfectly, so you can't get it wrong. And that's pretty much about it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide this back on, and then I'm going to put the 4 screws back on, and everything else is just reverse order. And when we took these screws off for this plastic trim, it was a good idea because it gives us some leeway to be able to put this air filter back on without having to pull on it and possibly break it. And remember, the black screws go on the air filter and the silver screws go on this plastic trim. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate it. Please press the like button and subscribe if you want to follow along for more similar videos. You guys take care, safe riding, and we'll talk to you soon.